people, welcome back to the Right View channel. This is V, your host. Today I have the pleasure of working on this high-powered Sur Ron. Thing probably do over 100. This thing is equipped with all the bells and whistles and then some. My boy recently had a custom MX braking system installed, and yeah, these things are spongy, especially the front one. So I'm gonna see if I could figure out what's going on with them. I'm thinking it's got to be air in the system or something like that. It's a brand new system. And by the way, this system used .4. Let's start by removing the reservoir cover. There is two screws holding the reservoir cover in place. Let's get the two screws out the way. Once you remove the reservoir cover, there is some kind of rubber gasket in place. Covers the oil up. And, I'm gonna use a brake bleeder vacuum pump. I'm hoping it'll make the job a little easier. I already have the hose connected. Let's go ahead and break the bleeder valve screw open. I know the fluid came out before I even broke the screw open. It might have been a little loose already, maybe. I should have tried it with my hands. But anyway, we'll see what's going on with it. I guess I'll be pumping away for a little while. It's fizzing right now. So once it starts giving me an even flow, I'll check for pressure in the line. It's flowing a little more consistent. I'm gonna close the bleeder screw and check for pressure in the system. Alright, so the front brake, we ended up changing out the leader. I had these laying around. I gotta put these on my bomber, so I'm gonna loan it to him. But the front brake seems like I couldn't get no pressure on there or whatever. So I'm thinking something is wrong with the brakes itself, the reservoir. Just put his brake light on. Both of them. Now this back one, gotta see if CJ can help me out. Lord be with me. motherfuckers. Probably it.
I got cut off.
See that motherfucker almost hit me, man?
Huh?
Motherfucker almost
Yeah, I know.
hit the shit out of me, man. Damn, boy. Fuck, man.
What's up? I'm gonna show you. You wanna go to the park or the parkway? I know you're talking about. Which one? Pick one. Huh? Pick one.
Are you going over there?